Hello, I'm Marlin Rice, a Senior Research Manager with DuPont Pioneer. Today I want to share some thoughts with you on corn rootworm. And specifically, I want to discuss trapping for corn rootworms and the value of using that information to manage these insects. Throughout much of the Corn Belt, there's two insect species, the western corn rootworm and the northern corn rootworm, that are annual and destructive pests of corn production. Rootworm larvae can feed on corn roots, which reduces the plant's ability to extract moisture and nutrients from the soil, and extensive injury will cause the plants to fall over and lodge. This, of course, can create difficulties at harvest and subsequent yield loss. Cost-effective and efficient management of corn rootworms requires information on the potential rootworm population in a particular field. The only way to gain this information is to scout the field, and the easiest way to do this is to use a device called a yellow sticky trap. Corn rootworm beetles are visually attracted to the yellow color on the card and become stuck in the glue. The beetles can then be counted, and based on the number of beetles collected, a grower can then make an informed decision regarding his corn rootworm management options in that field for the next growing season. Let me walk you through the process of using the yellow sticky trap. Begin trapping when corn reaches the blister or R2 stage, or you can start during the 3rd or 4th week of July throughout most of the Corn Belt. Select one row of corn in the field that covers the various soil types and any changes in topography which are representative of that field. Remove all the leaves on one plant and any leaves on surrounding plants that may get stuck on the trap. Open the trap, fold the trap around the corn stalk, and using the wire provided, position the trap directly above the ear. Continue walking down this same row until you have a total of 6 traps placed across the field. Return to the beginning of the row and take some flagging tape or a surveyor's flag and mark that row so that you can find it next week. Now wait 7 days. Come back in a week to check the traps. Walk the full length of the row and count the beetles on each trap. When you get to the 6th and final trap, determine the average number of beetles per trap. If the average is 51 or more beetles per trap, then you can stop trapping. If the average is 50 or fewer beetles, then place new traps on the previous corn stalks as you return back to the beginning of the row. Continue this process for a total of 4 trapping weeks, or until the trap averages 51 or more beetles per trap. Now, when you finish trapping, contact your local Pioneer representative to discuss how your beetle counts and how the information can be used to guide your corn rootworm management decisions for the next growing season. Additional information can be found at pioneer.com or check out our Pioneer Growing Point Agronomy app.